Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of October 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, showing a loss of 0.51% so far. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.17% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a horizontal trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if it were to break below the lower trend line at $218.26, this would signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 0.477% over the next 3 months, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 0.0962% and 9.2%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 8.79%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could swing between negative 12.34% and 26.84% over the coming year. This would place the future price within the range of $192.42 to $278.43. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline: Amazon's stock price ended at $219.51 on Friday, after losing 1.3%. The Amazon stock price fell by 1.3% on the last day, Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025, from $222.41 to $219.51. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.21%, with a day low at $219.35 and a day high of $224.20. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.17% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 2 million shares, but this occurred amidst falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 44 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.55 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $242.52, and the lowest price was $161.38. Currently, the price is 9.49%, or $23.01, below the 52-week high, and 83.18%, or $1,085.69, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon is tightening its grocery footprint, closing 4 fresh stores in Southern California as it focuses on whole foods, while increasing competition in online grocery enhances its delivery and marketplace businesses. The company also faces short-term scrutiny after 2 Prime Air drones collided with a crane, leading to investigations by the Federal Aviation Administration and the National Transportation Safety Board. This safety and regulatory issue could dampen short-term sentiment and result in additional compliance costs. Leadership changes in the devices unit, occurring right after a product showcase, may raise temporary questions about execution, but are unlikely to impact Amazon's scale. Meanwhile, the push into artificial intelligence in the home, amid competition with other technology giants, and positive outlooks for Amazon Web Services and e-commerce as the holidays approach, underscore Amazon's long-term growth prospects. In the short term, expect volatility due to safety investigations, retail adjustments, and executive changes. However, in the long run, Amazon Web Services, integrated artificial intelligence-enabled devices, and the scale of grocery and delivery services should drive revenue growth and margin expansion, despite potential risks from regulatory and safety-related costs. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 24th of September, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Amazon a rating of overweight with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley also rated Amazon as overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, Citigroup reported a rating of overweight for Amazon, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, Goldman Sachs gave Amazon a rating of buy, alongside a hold action. On the same day, Needham also rated Amazon as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock currently exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $220.32 and $227.54. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. Moreover, a sell signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been noted, which may influence short-term developments. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, September 25, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen approximately 0.623%. Continued upward movement is indicated until a new top pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 83 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $214.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.85 between its high and low, which is approximately 2.21%. Throughout the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.57. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at 220.71. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at 214.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of October in the year 2025, Harrington Douglas J. executed an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 10th day of September, in the year 2025, Stonesifer Patricia Q. made an insider purchase of 4,695 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the same day, Rubenstein Jonathan also conducted an insider purchase of 4,695 shares of a restricted stock unit award. Additionally, on that same day, Huttenlocker Daniel P. executed an insider purchase of 4,695 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the second day of September in the year 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted another insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 98.086. Overall, insiders have purchased 193,736 shares, while selling 25,839,690 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $208.08, representing a decrease of 5.21%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal that emerged from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators are currently negative, which we believe will influence the stock's performance over the coming days and possibly weeks. Nonetheless, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, anticipating that it will rise during or by the conclusion of this 3-month period. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of October, we expect Amazon to open higher by $1.51, starting at $221.02. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.